Now we've already seen how easy I can work with analytics inside of Dynamics AX 2012 using Target Decision Tree. As a quick recap here, I'm looking at the Role Center and I have a dynamic dashboard directly inside of the Role Center. So if I wanted to see the development for my club members within the age category of 36 to 50 years old, simply click on that part of the chart and you'll see all of my numbers and figures and dashboards here are updating accordingly. I could slice out again and get the full overview. I could also navigate multiple analysis or dashboards simply by using my navigation pane up here. And now I have more of a benchmark analysis where I can see the development per store by drilling into the particular store of interest. So that's how easy it was to work with from an end user perspective inside of the Role Center. We also saw how I could use this information in my forms directly. Let's pull up a customer from my customer cards here, and I'll take a look at New York. So upon opening New York, I see that I have a fast tab here named Target. I could have called it something else. And when I open it up, you'll see that this has the exact same functionality as we saw in the Role Center. So I could now slice and dice, see how much New York has purchased of my TVs. I could drill out again, get the overview. Let's look at all audio products. And then I have just the audio products purchased from Retail New York. So I have the same flexibility directly within the forms linked to my customer account number from AX. Now, next natural question would be how easy or how difficult is it to get these dashboards into your forms or the Role Center? For the purpose of illustration, I will simply embed a new form directly into my my vendor cards instead. So if I close out of my customer cards here and I go ahead and open up my my vendors, let's just look at one of my vendors. So I'll open up one of the vendor cards here. And what you'll see now that is that currently I do not have any target or any analytics attached to my vendor card. So let's go ahead and add that to this card or this form. So I need to go to my system administration. So this is really for the AX developers or admin roles. You'll see that I have a target admin area where I have a connection and integration setup. For this purpose, I'd use the integration setup. I already have a number of forms I've prepped, but you can set up an unlimited of number of forms here. And let's go to the vendor form. I'll see that right now I'm not using any target analytics on the vendor form, but go ahead and add one. And what I'm doing now is I'm pulling up the folder structure from a target data warehouse, a target application, and I could choose a personal analytics if I'm a developer user, or I could use one of the shared here. And I'll go ahead and now open up my BI Accelerator for Dynamics AX. I'll choose my supply chain, and I will now add a vendor purchase overview to my form. Upon selection of that particular analysis, I'll get a quick preview so I can see what it is I'm working with. I could choose the entire view or single object, but I'll stick to the entire view for now. Hit OK, go into the object settings to work a little bit further with it, and then you'll see that I have different options here. I could choose a dynamic object. That will give me the most current information at the time I open the form, but it'll not allow me to drill into to the form. I could also choose to hide this given specific criterias. I could choose to link it up with the account in AX, and I could also choose to trigger the full target Windows client if I would allow my users to do further analytics outside of AX if they really need to get into the weeds of things here. Or I could do it in a web client, or simply have no trigger, or the light anywhere client as we call it. Let's go back to the object and say instead of doing a dynamic, I'd like to choose an anywhere object. That allows me to slice and dice and drill inside of the object. I could also give them the ability to open other analysis directly from AX, but I'll keep it simple and hide the toolbar for now. And I'll just stick to that right now. Hit close and close out of my system administration, and now all I need to do is go back to my accounts payable, and I'll open up my vendors, and let's open up one of them here. I could go ahead and just take this particular vendor, and you'll see that now I have added a target fast tab to my form. If I open that up, here's my vendor purchase overview. Completely interactive as we saw it in the Role Center. So if I wanted to look at, for instance, the video vendors, it'll show me the information just for video vendors. If I wanted to drill out again and see the complete invoice amount over all of my periods of time, I have that information as well. So that's how easy you embed analytics directly inside of Target, using Target Decision Suite directly into Dynamics AX 2012. Thank you very much for listening.